I'm Ms. Artastic, and in this video art tutorial, we're going to be drawing this panda floating away with a balloon. Yeah. So grab something to draw with and something to color with, and let's make some art. This episode is brought to you by ArtasticKids.com. If you're a parent, guardian, homeschool family, or a classroom teacher looking for art lessons and resources, begin your journey by finding free art lessons, tips, advice, and more at ArtasticKids.com. Alright, so we're going to be drawing a super cute panda, so grab something to draw with. I'm going to be using my marker, but you can use anything that you would like to make a mark with or draw with. And you can use also anything that you would like to color with. So here we go. We're going to leave a big space about a hand size at the top of our page. And we're going to draw in the lower half. First, we're going to draw a circle a little bit on its side. On each side of the circle, we're going to draw two curving lines for some panda ears. Next, we're going to draw some big ovals on the face for the pattern around the eyes. But in the eyes, we're going to do a really shocked panda. So we're going to draw some thicker circles with a nice thick border on them. And then we're going to leave them white on the inside and leave that thick, nice black border because it's going to be a shocked panda, and you'll find out why. And then we're going to go ahead and color around the eyes, but we're going to leave a little bit of white on either side. Okay, then we're going to take a gray and we're going to fill in around it. There we go. Okay, we're going to do a shocked mouth. So we're going to do a curving line at the top, a curving line at the bottom. Draw straight lines down to make a rectangular sort of shape. We'll give it some panda teeth and then draw a curved line in the center for a tongue. Next, we're going to color in the dark of the mouth, leaving the teeth, the tongue white. While you're coloring, you can also color in the ears. Alright, next we're going to draw the body. So you can draw one arm up, one arm down, and connect to the head. We're going to draw a big belly with a U shape. And then draw two little legs with some curved lines. We're going to color in the arms and the top of the body here. And we'll also color in the legs. I'm going to have a little bit of white left on them just to separate them a little. Alright, so I'm going to have a string come up. And I'm going to add a little balloon at the top, the curving triangle for the shine of light. And then around my panda, I'm going to draw my clouds, and that's why Panda is so shocked, because it's kind of, well, accidentally floated up into the sky. So cute. All right. Once you're done that, you can go ahead and color in the remaining areas of your design, which isn't too much, using your choice of our making mediums. And once you're done, your super cute panda floating way up into the clouds is done.
Well, that's it for this episode. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, Ms. Artastic. And if you create anything and share it online on social media, please, I would love to see it. So tag me at Ms. Artastic and I will check it out, or join the community and conversation and use the hashtag Ms. Artastic, and I will check it out that way as well. And you can see what other people are creating who create with Ms. Artastic YouTube videos. Well, that's it for this episode, and I will see you in the next.